Cerasus canadensis, the eastern redbud. And there's a reason why this one's given away a lot, because it's a native tree and it does very well. Zones 4 to 9. It gets 20 to 30 feet on average. There are some that get taller than that, but you know, it averages out across the United States as 20 to 30 feet.
Okay.
It's going to have reddish purple flowers in the spring. It's one of the harbingers of spring.
Yes,
you say, you know, winter's over and spring is going to be blooming. And of course, then after it finishes blooming, it has these beautiful heart-shaped green leaves on it. Just gorgeous, really outstanding. In the fall, it will have little pea pods because it actually is part of the pea family.
Right.
Yeah. Likes full sun to part shade, and it does well in many soil types, which is another reason why it's very popular across the United States, because it just isn't particular about the soil. It just doesn't like standing water, so just don't put it in standing water soils. And there are many, many cultivars of this to choose from. Flower colors, leaf colors. They even have weeping forms, so there's just all kinds of plants of this to choose from.
Yeah, I have that in my backyard. Yeah, I love when it comes out in the spring.
Very nice tree.
And those pods are actually edible.
Oh wow, no, I did not know that.
They're actually edible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's from the
I know that.
From the pea family.
It's from the pea family. You want to try it out and see. Yeah. All right. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.